A very good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen the session number 8 and session number 9, in which we have learned about the introduction of email, advantages of email, and email address and its various parts. In that, we have learnt about the username and domain name. Now we are going to see the further part of the third unit, session number 10, communication and networking, creating an email account. So here the steps or some basic things which are needed for creating an email account are given. To set up an email account, there are a number of popular providers to be considered. The first one is the Gmail, which is run by Google. Second is the Outlook Mail. It is run by Microsoft. In Microsoft Office, if you observe, one application is there, Microsoft Outlook. जैसे MS वर्ड होता है, MS एक्सेल रहता है, वैसे ही MS आउटलुक रहता है इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इट, you can get it. And next is the Yahoo Mail, or you can call it as the Ymail. गूगल का Gmail, Yahoo का Ymail, and Microsoft का Outlook. Okay, so these are the three popular providers of the email services. So here they have given some examples: Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, Gmail, MobileMe, Inbox.com, etc. Here we will learn how to create an email account using the Gmail. All email hosting sites will have similar procedures. Now here, steps to open an email account on Gmail. What you have to do, go to the www.gmail.com and click on create account. Okay, click on create account. Actually here they have not given that proper picture of the create account button, but in order to create a new account you need to click on create account. Second step, the sign up form will appear. You will need to fill your username, name, password and other details in sign up form. A password should be at least 8 characters long and contain letters, numbers and special characters like dollar, percentage, hash, etc., which will make it more secure. आप जितना ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल पासवर्ड डालोगे, मतलब जितने ज़्यादा स्मॉल लेटर्स, कैपिटल लेटर्स, सिम्बॉल्स, ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन आप जितना ज़्यादा करोगे उतना आपका पासवर्ड ज़्यादा सिक्योर होगा. नेक्स्ट थर्ड स्टेप इज fill in the other details as your phone number, country, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the checkbox and then click on next step. Checkbox here you can observe at the bottom, I agree to the Google terms of service and privacy policy. Means by clicking it you are accepting or you are giving agreement to the Google for the terms and conditions of the services. Fourth step is Google welcome page will appear. Click on continue to Gmail. This will display your Gmail account page. Okay, so these are the steps to create Gmail account. Okay, so next we are going to see the progress. Here are the steps to sign in to your Gmail account. First, they have given type username. Second, go to www.gmail.com. Next, click sign in and then type password. You have to choose the option with correct order. Correct order आपको चेक करनी है. First, go to www.gmail.com. Now here they have given steps to create account on Gmail. Now here we want sign in. Now look, in the steps of creation of account there was a sign up. Sign up means what? In order to create new account you need to click on sign up. Here if you already have an account, then you will sign in to your Gmail account. Now here you can observe the second option will be the first step. Go to www.gmail.com. okay, next, now look, here two times sign in link or button will appear. Here we will consider the option D as the correct option, because you can observe option 2 go to gmail.com will be the first step. Option 3 click sign in will be the second step, because whenever you will go to gmail.com the link for sign in will be there in front of you, so that you have to click. Then the sign in page will appear in front of you. In that, then next step is the type the username and type the password. So option D is correct option. Why? आपको अगर समझ में नहीं आया है then I am going to repeat it. D option is correct. Why D option? Because you will go to gmail.com. Second will be you will click on sign in. Sign in will be the link, then only the sign in page will appear. Then you will enter the username and then password. Okay, after entering the password also there is a option sign in, but it is the button. Okay, now here you want to sign into your Gmail account, therefore option D is correct. Okay, now which of the following statements is false? You need to create an account before you can send an email. Is it true? Yes. You should sign out of your account when you are not using the computer. It is true. You do not need an internet connection to use your Gmail account. So option C is false. And option D, you must not share your password with others. That is also correct. Option C is the false statement. Which of the following is an email service? WhatsApp, WeChat, Gmail, Facebook. Of course, Gmail. Short answer question. What character should the password have in email address to make it more secure? Now, what characters? Here you can observe the second step. Password should be at least 8 characters long and contain letters, numbers and special characters. Okay, it should be combination of letters, numbers and special characters. Let us move towards the next session. Session 11, communication and networking, and in that writing an email. Now writing an email means actual use of email here. Okay, now Gmail is a free email application. Let us learn how to use it. First step, to write a new email, connect to the internet and open the Gmail. Now you know that if you want to open the Gmail you need computer and internet. Okay, Next, after opening Gmail, type type gmail.com in the address bar of the Internet Explorer. Whatever may be the browser you have to click on the address bar and you need to search gmail.com. Third step, to start using Gmail, you need to sign in. Type your email ID and password in the given areas and click on sign in. Now look, to start using Gmail you need to sign in. जैसे मैंने बताया था लास्ट सेशन में, जो एक्सरसाइज में था, अरेंज करना था, उसमें देखो you need to sign in. Okay, means what? You are going to click on sign in link. Type your email ID and password in the given areas and click on sign in button. देखो, ईमेल आईडी डालने से पहले आपको साइन इन की लिंक पे क्लिक करना है और पासवर्ड डालने के बाद साइन इन का बटन क्लिक करना है. अंडरस्टूड? साइन इन 2 टाइम्स आपको यूज़ करना है. एक बार फर्स्ट टाइम आपको लिंक यूज़ करना है, सेकंड टाइम आपको बटन यूज़ करना है. अंडरस्टूड? You can observe in figure 3.49. Username is entered, password is entered, and then sign in button. Okay. Next, click on the compose button on the Gmail home page. Gmail home page के compose button पे click करना है. Here you can observe 3.50, figure 3.50. This will open a new message window. Let us understand this with the example. Now, here, that particular person, Mohan, wants to send Diwali greetings to his sister, his wife and daughter. He wants to do this by writing an email using the Gmail account he just created. In the to section, he types the email ID of his sister, that is mohini@gmail.com. Next, in the CC section, he types the email IDs of his wife sagasika@gmail.com and her daughter shalu@gmail.com. In this way, he is able to send the same message to all three at once instead of writing 3 times. Now look, what he did, he made use of the to section. to मतलब क्या? उधर आपको जिस पर्सन को आपको मेल सेंड करना है, मतलब जो भी रिसीवर है मेल का, उसका ईमेल आईडी आपको उधर एंटर करना है. ओके. देन इन द सीसी सेक्शन, मतलब सेम कॉपी, कार्बन कॉपी. सीसी का फुल फॉर्म है कार्बन कॉपी. He types the email IDs of his wife and her daughter. Okay. So in this way, he is able to send the same message to all three at once instead of writing it 3 times. मतलब 3 बार टाइप करने से वो सिर्फ उसने क्या किया, ईमेल आईडीज, तीनों के ईमेल आईडीज टू सेक्शन और सीसी सेक्शन में डाल दी. ओके. In the subject section, he writes Happy Diwali, which is the main topic of the email message. Now look, here you will understand the different parts of the message. Okay. Compose button, उसमें से क्या होता है, नए मैसेज टाइप करने के लिए विंडो आ जाती है. उसमें से टू सेक्शन में आपको जो भी आपका मेल रिसीव करने वाला है उसकी ईमेल आईडी डालना है. सीसी में सेम मेल किसको दिखना चाहिए उसके ईमेल आईडीज दिखाने हैं. देन सब्जेक्ट आप जैसे लेटर राइटिंग में करते हो, लेटर राइटिंग में जैसे आप सब्जेक्ट डालते हो, आई वॉन्ट द लीव सॉरी रिगार्डिंग the permission for leave for 2 days, like that. Okay, means here it will be the main topic of the email. Next, he starts the main body of the message, मतलब एक्चुअल जो मैसेज है वो उधर वो टाइप करता है with a greeting, hello everyone. This can change depending on whom you are writing the mail to. Okay, then he writes the complete message. He ends the email message with best wishes and his name, that is Mohan. When he click the send button, the email will reach the recipient. Follow the given steps to write an email. देखो, first step, in the to section, write the email ID of the person you are sending the mail to. Okay, जिसको भी मेल करना है उसका email ID आपको डालना है. Next, in the CC section, write the email IDs of all the people to whom you want to send copies of the message. मतलब जो भी मैसेज आपने टाइप किया है उसके कॉपीज आपको, मतलब जो जो लोगों को आपको सेंड करना है उनको वो सेंड कर सकते हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट, इन द सब्जेक्ट राइट द टॉपिक ऑफ द मेल. मेन मतलब टॉपिक का नाम आपको उधर डालना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हैप्पी दिवाली. स्टेप नंबर 4, इन द मेन बॉडी टाइप द मैसेज यू वांट टू सेंड. जो भी आपको मैसेज है वो आपको एक्चुअली टाइप करना है. दिस विल इंक्लूड द सैल्यूटेशन इन द बिगिनिंग. नाउ इट डिपेंड्स ऑन टू whom you are going to send the mail. Okay, formal and informal situations you need to understand. Main message in the middle and signature at the end. Now signature, here you can observe, this is the signature. You can observe here, from सुशील कुमार in bracket सुशील कुमार 45@gmail.com. मतलब किसने मैसेज सेंड किया है वो इधर दिखता है. दैट इज द सिग्नेचर पार्ट. डेट एंड सब्जेक्ट एंड टाइम, here you can observe in the signature part. After you type the message, click on send. Okay, देखो फिगर 3.51 में इधर ब्लू कलर में सेंड बटन आपको दिया है. ओके, whenever you type the complete message, click on send. The Gmail will be sent to all the people whose email addresses you have given in the to and CC section. मतलब to and CC section में जो भी email IDs आपने दिए हैं उन सबको वो email send हो जाएगा. Okay, here in figure 3.51, that pin like symbol, it represents the attachment. In WhatsApp you can also observe the same. Okay, attaching a file to an email. An attachment is a type of file such as a photo or document that you can send along with your email. To add an attachment, you need to click on the attach button. Attach button देखो कैसा है. The attach button often has a paper clip as its symbol. पेपर क्लिप जैसा सिंबल रहता है. व्हाट्सएप में भी वही सिंबल रहता है. जहाँ आप मैसेज टाइप करते हो वहाँ जो पेपर क्लिप का सिंबल है, दैट इज फॉर अटैचमेंट. व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन द अटैच बटन, इट ओपन्स अ न्यू विंडो. The window that shows you files and folders on your computer. Find and then click on the file you want to attach and press OK. Okay, अभी देखो, here you need to, here you need to do one thing or understand one thing or remember that you can attach only the files, not folders on the mail. ओके, आप सिर्फ फाइल्स ही सेंड कर सकते हो, फोल्डर सेंड नहीं कर सकते. ओके, मतलब जिसको एक्सटेंशन है .doc, .xls, .img, whatever में भी .jpg, ऐसे जिसको भी एक्सटेंशन है उनको ही आप मतलब वही फाइल्स आप सेंड कर सकते हो. आप फोल्डर्स डायरेक्टली मेल नहीं कर सकते, अटैच नहीं कर सकते. अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको जो भी फाइल सेंड करनी है वो आपको फाइंड करनी है एंड यू विल हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दैट फाइल, मतलब सिलेक्ट करनी है एंड क्लिक ऑन ओके बटन. देन the file will now show as an attachment in your email. वो फाइल अपलोड हो जाएंगी. the name of the file will be shown next to a paper clip symbol and then you can send the mail. next part is the managing folders. ईमेल में कौन से फोल्डर्स रहते हैं उसके बारे में एग्जाम्पल दिया है. There are different folders that could help you manage and organize your emails. Now, inbox. Inbox holds the emails that people have sent to you. Okay? जो भी messages आपने receive किए हैं वो inbox में होंगे. Okay? Next, the send folder holds emails that you have sent to people. सेंड फोल्डर में क्या रहते हैं, जो मैसेज आपने अलग अलग लोगों को सेंड किए हैं उन सब के ईमेल्स उस फोल्डर में रहेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज द ड्राफ्ट. ड्राफ्ट फोल्डर्स होल्ड्स ऑल द ईमेल्स यू हैव स्टार्टेड राइटिंग बट नॉट येट सेंट. मतलब जो फोल्डर्स इस फोल्डर में क्या होता है, जो मेल्स आपने you have started to write, you have typed the mail but not sent, okay, those types of mails will be saved into the draft. Next, the junk or spam folder holds the email that may not be useful or the unwanted mails that may contain the virus will get stored into the junk or spam folder. Next, the trash folder or the folder holds the emails that you no longer need and you have deleted. Okay, to delete an email you can select email and then click on the delete button for it to be moved from inbox to trash folder. Understood? So these are 5 folders that you have to see. Let us move towards the exercise. Multiple choice questions. What do you type in the to field? To field, look. Topic of the email, main message of the email, email address of the person to whom you want to send a copy of the email. Look, be careful while reading the options. C and D, here you may get confused. email address of person to whom you want to send copy of the email. कॉपी आपको सेंड नहीं करनी है. टू फील्ड में जो भी रहता है उनको डायरेक्टली मेल जाता है. ईमेल एड्रेस ऑफ द पर्सन यू आर सेंडिंग द मेल टू मीन्स हियर ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. डी. ओके. Second question. You want to send an email message to your friend Sushil. In which order you will perform the given steps to write and send an email to him? First, type Sushil's email address, subject and message. Click on the compose button. Click on send. Open your email account. Now look, by observing those options you will definitely come to know that option number 4 will come first. Open your email account first. Okay. Second thing, what you want to do, want to send the email. Now here just observe the third option is click send, means it will be the last option. Okay, means from A and B the correct options are there. Let us see the middle options. Type Sushil's email address, subject and message. Second option is click on compose button. Now second will be on second position, means what, open your email account first, means fourth option will be first, then second option click on the compose button, then type Sushil's email address, subject and message, and then last will be the sent, means option A is correct. Okay, option A is correct. Fill in the blanks. In the to section, dash dash is typed for sending a message throughout the message through email. Now email ID is typed or email address is typed. The attach button in email often has a dash dash as its symbol, paper pin as its symbol. In the dash dash section of email, the topic of the mail is written. In the subject section, after typing the message in the main body of the email, you need to click on dash dash button to send the email. Send button. Understood? So this much we have learned. After completing this session, you will able to identify various elements of email messages, compose and send email message, attach files in an email. If possible, students, you can create your own email account on your computer or mobile phone. Okay, if you like this video, do share and subscribe it. Thank you.